right, hello everybody. My name is Shazada and I'm going to be helping you navigate RoomView just a little bit today. And this video is going to be talking about how to connect your socials and just some things you might need to know before you do that. So let's get started. We're here on the beautiful dashboard, and to your top right, you will see a gear icon. Click that. You are now in your profile settings. On the profile tab, which is the tab that automatically opens, you can head over to the content calendar to connect your socials. Let's do Facebook for this video. Okay, now just a disclaimer. In order to connect to your Facebook, you should have a business page created. So if you don't, let's have a go at that first, and then you'll be prepared to connect to your Facebook afterwards. So you're gonna go to your Facebook profile and then go to look at your picture, and right next to your picture, you'll see a square made up of 9 dots. All right, over here, click that, and then to the right, you'll see a column labeled create, and then under that, you're going to see create page. Then fill up the column on the right that says page info, on the left that says page information. So fill out that page name, and then you're gonna pick a category, which would be real estate agent, and then your description. So in here, there's a great place to tell people what you do and what you will be posting and how you are different from the rest. Then click create page, and voila, there you have it, your very own Facebook business page. Now, let's get back to RoomView. So we're here at the settings and are about to connect our page. Click Connect Facebook and pop in your credentials. So Facebook is going to alert you that you are signing into your account in a new browser, and you'll either get a code sent to your phone or you'll get a notification on your Facebook app. So you can go to your Facebook notifications, and it's just going to ask you if this was you signing in from this browser, and you just click yes to that, and then that should automatically get you connect your Facebook to RoomView. Then you're going to choose the page you'd like to connect to RoomView and click save. All right, so now that we are connected, you can go ahead and do that for all of your other social media pages as well. So I know this was a quick video, but for the next video, we're going to be going over all of our content that we have to offer, the types of videos that we have to share, and also the news articles that you can share, and basically how that works and what that looks like. So stay tuned. Thank you for listening, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.